Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log back in Replika AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Replika app, then over here, you can see continue with your email or continue with Google. Choose any one of it. I will choose continue with Google. If you choose continue with your email, then you have to enter your email and password. Make sure you remember your password as well. If you choose continue with Google, it's an easy way to log in back. So I'll tap on the account you have logged in before. Then you gets logged into your Replika AI app, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. We have been logged into our Replika account.